Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading Adventure Begins at Your Library for July 15th, 2024, Part 2. The Hike by Alison Farrell. Yoo-hoo! Almost ready? Just one more cut. Just a few more feathers. We are going on a hike. Wren, Elle, Hattie, Bean. It's our favorite thing to do. In the beginning, we run like maniacs. Arf! Hey, wait for me! Until a ripe patch of thimbleberries slows us down. Elle teaches us how to make leaf baskets. Like this, Elle? Wren's sketchbook. Leaf baskets, Elle's instructions. Find one big leaf with 5 tips. Poke stem into opposite leaf tip. Tip by tip, poke leaf tips with stem. Pack with berries. Yep. We may have eaten too many berries. Is that possible? Arf! I thought we were saving some for later. The hike gets steep and the trail narrows. Boo! Ack, Hattie, how'd you get up there so fast? We get lost. Which way is north? Yep! Pretty sure we were not supposed to cross a river yet. Did we go left after the berry patch? Right, I think. Wren, what's another word for blue? Azure? Cerulean? Cobalt? Wren's sketchbook. Hattie always finds the route. Bird's eye view of Hattie. In no time, we get back on track. We're halfway there. Who made these? A deer walks past. Bean sneezes. Achoo! The deer vanishes so quick we wonder if it was ever really there. A light rain comes and goes. The birds are happy. We listen to them chirp and chatter in the trees. This is the river we were looking for, right, Hattie? Yep. Wren's sketchbook. Birds we saw at Whitefish River. Anna's hummingbird, mountain chickadee, mountain bluebird. Hattie gets tired. Elle offers to carry her. We can't hear you. I said 30 minutes to the top. Soon, Elle is tired too. Giddy up. I can't do this much longer. Ride's over, everyone. Brr, it's getting chilly. At the top, Wren takes out her flag, Elle reads her poem, and Hattie releases feathers into the wind. We did it. Pause here for more notes from Wren's sketchbook. The end. We're going to make a bubble painted tree, and what you'll need is some paints. I have white and green. Went ahead and made a white and green mixture to make a lighter green, and I have a darker green. And your craft to go kit is a tree outline, so basically the trunk and the branches, and you'll get a little piece of bubble wrap. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the paintbrush and paint on the bubble wrap. See, that's just like this. See how it looks? And you're just going to press it on the tree to give it leaves. So I'm going to do a little dark, a little light. Might not look that different, but the idea is there. Now I'd have to add a lot more weight to make a difference. But just keep doing that. If you really want, you can stick the bubble wrap into the paint and do it, but you might get a little bit too much paint on it. But I'm just going to continue doing that until I have a full tree, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I like my tree the way it is now. So that's all there is to it, just some bubble wrap and some paint.